Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if Google Chrome is not opening on your Windows 11 PC. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon and then select Task Manager. Now in here you will need to find Chrome, so you can simply search for it from here. Now once you see this entry, right click on it and select End Task. If you don't see this entry, you don't need to worry about it. Now go to the search box and type in chrome.exe. Once you have typed this, click on this open file location. Once you are here, select this entry and click on this rename option. Now rename Chrome to anything, Chrome 1 or anything else you like. Now hit enter. Now click on continue to allow the permission. Once you have done that, simply right click on the entry and then click on show more options. Now go to send to and then click on desktop. Now go to your desktop and you should see your Chrome shortcut here. Simply double click on it and Google Chrome should open as usual. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to simply uninstall Google Chrome from your PC and then reinstall it. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.